5 credit cards that can help build your credit. When it comes to building your credit, one of the most effective tools you can use is a credit card. But with so many options on the market, it can be tough to figure out which ones will best help you establish and improve your credit. In this video, we're going to take a look at 5 credit cards that can help you build your credit and achieve your financial goals. Part 1. The basics of credit cards and credit scores. Before we dive into our list of recommended credit cards, it's important to understand the basics of how credit cards work and how they can affect your credit score. A credit card is a type of revolving credit that allows you to borrow money up to a certain limit. When you use your credit card, you're essentially taking out a loan that you'll need to pay back, usually with interest. Now that we've covered the basics of credit cards and credit scores, let's take a look at 5 credit cards that can help you establish and improve your credit. Number 1. Discover It Secured Credit Card. The Discover It Secured Credit Card is a great option for those who are new to credit or who are trying to rebuild their credit. This card requires a security deposit, which becomes your credit limit, and offers cashback rewards on every purchase. Additionally, Discover will review your account after 8 months and may transition you to an unsecured credit card if you've used your card responsibly. The Discover It Secured Credit Card is a popular option for those looking to build their credit. This card requires a security deposit, which becomes your credit limit and offers cashback rewards on every purchase. Cardholders earn 2% cashback on gas stations and restaurants, up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter, and 1% cashback on all other purchases. The card also offers a variety of additional benefits, such as free FICO credit score monitoring and the ability to freeze your account if you misplace your card. Number 2. Capital One Platinum Credit Card. The Capital One Platinum Credit Card is another excellent option for those looking to establish or rebuild their credit. This card has no annual fee and provides access to Capital One's CreditWise program, which offers free credit score monitoring and tools to help you improve your credit. The Capital One Quicksilver Secured Cash Rewards Credit Card is a great option for those looking to build their credit. This card requires a security deposit, which becomes your credit limit. However, unlike some other secured credit cards, the Capital One Quicksilver Secured Cash Rewards Credit Card offers cashback rewards on every purchase. Cardholders earn 1.5% cash back on every purchase, which can be redeemed as a statement credit or a check. The card also comes with a variety of additional benefits, including extended warranty coverage and travel accident insurance. Number 3. Pedal 2 Visa Credit Card. The Pedal 2 Visa Credit Card is a unique credit card that takes into account more than just your credit score when determining your credit worthiness. Instead, Pedal uses an algorithm that analyzes your overall financial history to determine whether you qualify for the card. This card has no fees and offers cashback rewards on every purchase, making it a great option for those looking to establish or rebuild their credit. It is a unique credit card that is designed specifically for those with little to no credit history. Unlike many other credit cards, the Pedal 2 card does not require a security deposit and does not charge an annual fee. Instead, the card uses a variety of factors to determine creditworthiness, such as income and expenses. The card offers up to 1.5% cash back on every purchase, and the cashback rate can increase over time for responsible cardholders. The card also offers a variety of other benefits, including credit monitoring and alerts, and the ability to set custom spending limits. Number 4. U.S. Bank Altitude Go Visa Secured Card. The U.S. Bank Altitude Go Visa Secured Card is another excellent option for building credit. This card requires a security deposit, which becomes your credit limit, and offers rewards on every purchase. Cardholders earn 1 point per $1 spent on eligible purchases, and can earn additional points by using the card at eligible merchants. Points can be redeemed for a variety of rewards, including cashback, travel, and merchandise. The card also offers additional benefits such as roadside assistance and travel accident insurance. Number 5. Tomo Credit Card. The Tomo Credit Card is another unique credit card that is designed for those with little to no credit history. The card does not require a security deposit and does not charge an annual fee. Instead, the card uses a variety of factors to determine creditworthiness, such as income and expenses. The card offers up to 1% cash back on every purchase, and the cashback rate can increase over time for responsible cardholders. The card also offers a variety of other benefits, such as the ability to set custom spending limits and the ability to earn additional cash back by referring friends. Part 3. Tips for using credit cards to build your credit. While credit cards can be a powerful tool for building your credit, it's important to use them responsibly in order to avoid damaging your credit score. Here are a few tips to keep in mind when using credit cards to build your credit. 1. Use your credit card for small purchases that you can pay off in full each month. This will help you establish a positive payment history and avoid accumulating too much debt. 2. Set up automatic payments to ensure that you never miss a payment. Late payments can have a negative impact on your credit score, so it's important to make sure that you're paying on time every month. 3. Keep your credit utilization low. Your credit utilization is the amount of credit you're using compared to your credit limit. Keeping your credit utilization below 30% can help improve your credit score. 4. Don't apply for too many credit cards at once. Each time you apply for a credit card, it can result in a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can temporarily lower your credit score. And 5. Monitor your credit report regularly to ensure that all information is accurate and up to date. If you notice any errors or inaccuracies, you can dispute them with the credit bureaus to have them corrected. Using a credit card can be a powerful tool for building your credit, but it's important to choose the right card and use it responsibly. The 5 credit cards we've covered in this video are all great options for those looking to establish or rebuild their credit. However, it's important to keep in mind that building your credit takes time and effort, and there are no quick fixes. By using your credit cards responsibly and following our tips for building credit, you can set yourself up for a strong financial future.